What's good, man? Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks. We spilling all the info that they don't want you to know. And recently, I've been getting a lot of questions on beginners asking how to navigate Robinhood, man, and even what is trading options, man. So I'm gonna briefly explain trading options in a nutshell, man. Walk y'all through Robinhood. I'm gonna tell y'all my favorite trades that made me in the Discord the most money last week. And I want to also talk about my favorite setups for the upcoming week, man. So y'all gonna want to stick around, hit that subscribe button, drop a thumbs up, and let me know where y'all from in the comments, man. All right, so first things first, for all my new subscribers, for the beginners who welcome to Joe Rich Trades, man. And first of all, I'm gonna start screen recording, make it pop up right here. Let's look up what is options trading defined, man. And it says if you're looking for a simple options trading definition, it goes something like this: options trading gives you the right or obligation to buy or sell a specific security on a specific date at a specific price. So y'all get what the definition means. Now I'm gonna show y'all how it works and break that down as we go into Robinhood, man. So boom, I'm gonna walk y'all through what that means in simpler terms on Robinhood, man. So if y'all new here, make sure y'all download Robinhood and set up your account for options trading. And all you have to do that is hit the little person at the bottom, go to your settings and hit enable options. Now after you hit enable options, yours is going to look something like this anytime you go to any given stock. So let's just see some randoms on my watch list, man. I'm big on the tech stock, so y'all see I got a lot of that in my portfolio, boom, or on my watch list rather. So let's go to ticker symbol NVDA, hit trade, and then you'll see a button that says trade options. Now this screen, you don't really need to worry about this screen where it says builder right here, man. You want to tap, you see these dates at the top. You remember how in the definition it just said that you have the right to buy and sell certain contracts by a set date. These are the set dates, and you have to buy and sell the contract by the date that you pick, or it's going to be worthless. So just remember that. So this might look confusing at first, but I'm going to explain it in the simplest way. So y'all see how the share price is 123.75. That means NVIDIA is at $123.75, man. So if you was trying to trade this and you said in your mind, okay, I think NVIDIA is going to go higher than a certain price, where it says 124 call, that would be the certain price, your strike price that you think is going to go higher than, man. So all of these $sign 123 call, 122 call, that means that you think NVIDIA is going to be above or keep going up from what it's already at, the share price that it's already at by your expiration date, man. Now where it says $sign 3.25, y'all gotta remember, always remember this, man. I want y'all to write this down right quick. When you're trading options, it's a little different than buying and holding shares of a certain stock, man. So you're essentially buying 100 shares in each one contract you get. So that little number that I just mentioned, the $3.25, you got to do that times 100. So that means each contract would be roughly $325, man. So boom, it shows you your break even price, where it would have to hit for you to break even, how much the contract has gained or lost in value today. And NVIDIA has been down on the last trading day, which was Friday. The market is closed at the time of this recording. So that being said, its contracts lost some worth, man. So whoever's in them contracts essentially lost some money today, depending on where they entered at. So y'all see where it says call or put. A call means you think the stock is going to go above the strike price that you pick, man. When you're buying a put, you're saying that a stock is going to go below a certain strike price you pick, man. So what that means is you can multiply your money off a stock going in little directions both ways. So you can get this. It's a little different than buying and holding shares. Again, you can get paid off a stock going down and going up. So remember that. So calls, puts, buy and sell. You don't really need to worry about the buy and sell, because after you go here and let's say we wanted to buy one contract, remember how I just told y'all it would be roughly $325? We pulled the contract up, and y'all see if we want to buy one contract, it show y'all right here. Look, 3.25 times 100 multiplier times one contract plus a 3-cent regulatory fee, man. So if the market was open, y'all would go here, and me personally, I like to set my limit price at a good point in between the bid and ask price. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't enter too high on the candle. So if we was to be buying this right quick, man, we hit review, we swipe up to submit. It's not going to fill my order right now because, again, the market is closed right now. I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. After, excuse me, y'all see options pending orders. The order would get filled. I'm in some longs of NVIDIA, and that's how it would look when the order gets filled, man. Y'all see how it says NVIDIA 127 calls. I bought some longs of them the other day because NVIDIA is a word. But like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, man, NVIDIA is probably the strongest chip stock or stock that has anything to do with AI. It done had 4 different stock splits already in each time. It ate. So I would heavily advise, man, once it jump pull back down, I say 120, 118, buy some long calls. But that's a different story for a different video, man. I'm gonna keep walking y'all through. After y'all would get in the contract, all you would have to do is go here. It shows you your position. You see I got 10 contracts right now. The current price is $17.73. Like I said, you got to do times 100, man. So that's roughly what, 1,700 roughly. The average cost 17.67. That's what I averaged in my contracts at, man. Date board, you see the expiration date. NVIDIA's break-even price, and today's return, and the total return, man. So y'all would go here, hit trade. If you want to sell it, you see you could put what I usually put the ask price when I'm selling it, man. So I get a higher end of things and maximize my profits. You understand what I'm saying? So Robinhood really makes things easy and simple. I just wanted to walk y'all through for my beginners because I was getting a lot of questions on navigating Robinhood and etc., man. Like I said, we are going to do a full beginners course on the channel in a separate series for the beginners and to really go in depth on trading options one-on-one, man. So now let's hop into the chart. So pull out y'all monthly trading views right quick, man, and pay attention. Now, one of my favorite plays that I took last week, and I'm gonna give y'all the rationale right quick so y'all can make sure y'all being on the lookout for plays like this again. Lately, I ain't gonna lie, I've been taking a lot of my trades strictly off supply and demand. And y'all see I got the Smart Money Concepts SMC by Lux Algo indicator on my trading view. Like I keep saying, please put this on y'all trading view. It's gonna make trading 1,000 times easier, I'm telling you. So now I seen that it came down to this is on a 4-hour chart, mind you, so we can get a better overall understanding of what the market is doing or what the stock that we trying to trade is doing for the day versus trying to go off the 15-minute chart on a volatile stock like SMCI, man. So I seen it came down, it touched this big bad level, man, and then I put, hold on, we're gonna make this bigger. So y'all see how on Thursday or Wednesday in the pre-markets it touched this big buy level, kind of was trying to consolidate through this zone, man. That's why I put these levels right here at 832 and at 811. I said I don't want to trade it around there. That's why these lines are red. I said this is a no trade zone. Now if it breaks this and crosses the the 9 EMA, which is the 9 exponential moving average. This basically calculates the biggest closing trades on the last candle and shows you where the average price of where people are buying and selling it at, man. So I said, if it has a lot of buying volume, breaks out this no trade zone, and crosses the 9 EMA, I'm good for calls. And what did it do, man? It crossed over in the pre-markets and it stayed up for the day. I'm gonna show y'all the hourly candle right quick. 1H is on Thursday. I played SMCI. I think I got in on his first candle and I was kind of losing money at first, so I had to wait it out. I front ran it. Don't never front run in a trade, man. But it still wound up working out because we bankrolled me in the Discord. I personally made 10K. I'm put it up, make it pop up right there so y'all know I'm not capping, no, I'm not flogging, man. Boom. And we just basically rode this thing to the top. I ain't even get as much as I could have out of it because I don't like with SMCI. I don't really like to stay in the trades too long. So I think I probably stayed in it like an hour or two at the max, man. We gonna make it pop up right here. I don't really remember, but that is why I played it. And after I seen it was getting closer and closer to this heavy sell-off zone, I'm like, yeah, I'm about to sell off. And y'all seen what it did. Again, the smart money concepts by Lux Algo. What did it do when it hit this heavy sell-off zone? Boom, reverse. So you could have played this both ways. Made money off the stock going up and made money off the stock going down. You just got to know what you're looking at, man. It's not rocket science, you feel me? Just make sure y'all doing y'all due diligence and keep watching the videos. Keep, you feel me, subscribing, because we're going to keep spilling the free game on y'all, man. So y'all know what to be on the lookout for and learn how to bankroll. They print this shit up every single day. Next, we're going to look at Lulu, man. And I caught this too. I caught this in like my second to last video or my third to last video. I don't really remember. Y'all can go call my bluff if y'all want to check it out though. Said, wow, I had the Lulu crossing up here. This heavy sell-off zone, man. So I seen in the pre-markets it hit cross over. I said, oh yeah, Lulu about to eat today. I told the Discord, I said, hey bro, Lulu about to eat today, trust me. And what did it do, bro? I signaled this off the open, bro. And yeah, hold on. Signaled it off the open, man. Now, this trade was not a trade to stay long in, because let me show you why. We're going to put this on a 15-minute, man. So, boom. This is off opens up. I see a big old wick down, right? But the buyers are still bringing it up. So I seen it go back up here. I'm like, okay, I see where it wants to go. Y'all see? Hold on. This little wick right there. I said, I see where it wants to go, but it's not doing it yet. So boom, let me wait till it come back up. Now it came back up, hit the 9 EMA again, and bounced off heavy. So I got in about right here, man. Sold this thing down here as soon as it got down there. I did not play no games. This was like a 10-minute trade, man. And me and the Discord still bankroll. We're going to make it pop up right there. Mind you, if y'all want to join the Discord, man, only $25, man. Link in the description, man. Y'all see getting people paid every day. This is no bullshit. You feel me? So it wasn't really too much of a high probability setup here. But matter of fact, yeah, it was. And I'm going to show y'all why. I called this when I called it in the other video. I told y'all that Lulu, they run is over. It's a weak stock, you feel me? It's been in a major bearish trend. Look, it's been in a major bearish trend. So I said once it gets back up around, this is around when I caught it, right? I said it get back up around in the 300s, man. Just know y'all need to be buying puts, load up puts. And what did it do? It paid us. So I'm going to just keep that on y'all radar. If it jumps back up to 335, I want y'all to buy puts. And let me know in the comments. Come back to these comments and let me know that y'all bankroll. You did what I'm saying. So let's try to find a setup, man. Y'all going to look for a setup with me right quick. Let's check out NVIDIA. And I'm doing this to show y'all how I go about finding my setups. All right, so let's get this off the jump. We're going to use NVIDIA for an example right now. So we got the charts pulled up, man. We see NVIDIA is in a big, well, I just told you what NVIDIA do. It don't play no games. Its balance sheet is crazy. It makes it quarter over quarter. It adds millions and millions of dollars to their business. So boom. If I was looking at this, let's take the line off. Let's hide the rectangle right quick, man. Hold on. Oh, there you go. So let's hide the rectangle right quick. If I just came here, right, and I'm looking at this chart, I'm like, okay, NVIDIA is a strong stock. It's in a dip right now. What should I do with it? What should I do? Would this be a good time to buy calls or puts? Do I think it's going to go lower or what? All right, so we see the overall action from the daily chart. Let's go to the hourly chart and see where support and resistance for this mug is, man. So if you wanted to trade this, right? If you wanted to day trade this, I'd be looking like, okay, where's support and resistance? We see a heavy support down here in the 117 area. Let me get this off of there. In the 117 area, but it's not quite there yet. So if we was buying longs, I would want it to come back down here because I don't want it to keep consolidating. But if we're playing this on a day-to-day basis, right, I want to see this thing break under this support zone right here. Hold on. I want to see it break under this support line right here. And why is it that, you might ask? Let's zoom in. Where does this keep bouncing up off of this green line? Boom, take off. Boom, take off. Boom, take off. Boom. And the market always repeats itself, so just keep that in mind, man. So I say, okay, I either want it to come down to here and reject up for calls and ride the couple dollar moves up. A dollar move up in trading options is a 30% gain to 40% gain 9 times out of 10, right? So boom. If it makes a $3 move up, you just double your money, doubled in half your money, you feel me? So wait for it to touch this line, stay disciplined, and then ride calls. And now if it breaks and holds this green line right there, you will want to do what? Look at puts until what entry zone, until what support zone, excuse me. Which I think, I'm gonna give y'all a couple seconds to answer. Ding, ding, ding. If you said this blue box right here, you are correct. So y'all is starting to get the point. You did what I'm saying. Let me make this a little bit. I see boom, support line, support line, support line. Now, if it comes back down, look for calls. If it starts rejecting up, but you don't want to front run. If it breaks and holds this, you want to look at puts, man. So that is a little play for y'all to be on the lookout for. Make sure y'all in the Discord Monday. Link in description. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that follow button, man. I'm talking about follow button, man. Hit that like button. Drop a thumbs up. And we're going to keep spilling the free sauce on y'all, man.